Hello, today I will be giving a brief tutorial on the iPad application Articulation Station. This application helps students speak more clearly looking at specific letters and sounds. Today we are going to practice the letter P. To hear the sound of the letter, simply touch the P. If the child needs help sounding this word, they can click the light bulb for tips on how to pronounce this letter. Once they are done, click on the arrow to go back. There are 3 different options underneath the letter. Each category has 2 activities to go along with it. Let's click on words first. We are going to do the flashcard activity. First, you must choose whether the student is going to practice the P sound in the initial, medial, or final position. Today we are going to do the initial position. Once you have determined this, you must press begin. When the picture shows, the student should say the name of whatever comes to the screen. If they do not know what it is, they can tap on the picture and the word will be said for them.
Purse.
You can press the green check if they pronounce it correctly, or the red X if they get it wrong. The record button at the bottom left-hand side of the page allows for the student to record themselves saying the word so they can hear their pronunciation. Purse. And then they can play it back to hear how they pronounced it. Once you have finished with a certain picture, you can slide to go on to the next image. Once you have scored and completed the activity as far as you've wanted to go, you can press Done at the top left hand side of the page. Here you can save any score to a specific student and have the option of adding someone as well. Let's save it to Alex. To go back, press the Home button, and we are back at the letter P. Next, we are going to do an activity at the sentence level. We are going to do rotating. The students will have to read the sentence out loud and do the same thing they did at the word level. Today, we are going to do the medial position. To begin. Students have the option of recording themselves as well playing this, and playing it back for pronunciation. Grandpa drew the slippers on the paper. And play it back to hear themselves.
Grandpa drew the slippers on the paper.
You can press the spin button to change options for the student to say it out loud. If they answer it correctly, you can press the green button, or incorrect, the red button. Once you are done, you can hit the Done button at the top left and save it to a specific student. The next activity we are going to do is at the story level. We are going to do level 1 today. We are going to practice in the final position. Press begin. The child can read the story to you with the option of recording themselves similar to the previous 2 activities. At any point, you can change the positioning of the P sounds to initial or medial. If the student is struggling to read the story, they can simply press on the words for the sentence to be read to them.
Hooper, the happy hippo, is putting on a puppet show. He is hoping to impress his friend Cooper, the octopus.
Once you have completed the story, you can press the Done button at the top left-hand side of the page and save the score if you wish to. But we did not mark any answers for that, so we cannot save the score. Once the student has mastered all the sounds at a specific level, their ability should transfer over to conversation with limited errors. Articulation Station provides plenty of practice to improve people's speech, allowing them to speak more clearly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Good luck and have fun.